Hello and hi everyone! In this series, my weekend plan is on a journey to explore the flavors of Malaysia, one dish at a time. As a multicultural country with over 60 years of history since its independence, kita anak-anak Malaysia is very blessed with a rich variety and unique blend of cultural heritage, food and traditions, making our country a food paradise and living proof of Malaysia, truly Asia. With that, we are on a mission to zoom into all the states of Malaysia to learn their food and culture. This weekend, we'll be learning how to make one of Malacca's famous dishes, Nyonya Laksa. Malakans out there, today's your day. This popular Nyonya dish has a seafood-based stock added with coconut milk, which creates a curry-like noodle soup, making it slightly creamy with a tint of sweetness and a spicy kick that many enjoy. Nyonya Laksa was originated from Melaka, which was once the most important trading port in Southeast Asia back in the 16th century. It was also the hotspot for the world's traders from India, Arab, Europe, and Portuguese together. So you could tell the multicultural heritage was hugely reflected on its food, culture, architecture, and many more. In the 15th century, the Chinese from China emigrated to the British Strait settlement of Malacca and married the locals. They harmoniously blended their distinct background, cultures, customs, and cooking traditions, which developed Baba Nyonya, aka the Peranakans. From the Malay influence and unavailability of certain ingredients, they brilliantly improvised with the local spices to make their traditional dishes. And that, guys, is how Nyonya cuisine came to life. Now, there are three components to Nyonya Laksa: the stock and the paste to make the soup, and other ingredients to complete the dish. For the stock itself, we'll need a handful of daun kesum, prawn skins, and heads. As for the other ingredients, we'll need a pack of fried tofu, fish cakes, and peeled prawns. The ingredients for the paste are as shown. Just cut everything into smaller pieces. Now, to get the stock going, heat up a little bit of oil, saute the prawn heads and shells until it turns red and fragrant. Next, pour in a little of water, followed by the Vietnamese coriander. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. This allows the stock to develop wonderful flavors and aroma. Then strain them and set aside for later. Next, blanch the noodles for about 1 to 2 minutes to get the ideal texture for your Nyonya Laksa. Then, also blanch the prawns for 1 or 2 minutes, depending on the size. And now, back to the paste. Put all the cut up ingredients into the blender together with the soaked dried chilies, turmeric powder, and finally, toasted belacan. Then pour in some water and blend until smooth. Now that we have all the laksa components prepared, let's start with frying the paste with a little oil until it is fragrant and a bit dry. Once fragrant, add in the prawn stock together with a liter of water, then bring it to a boil and let it simmer for a good 10 minutes. After simmering, add the fish cakes, fried tofu, and of course, the coconut milk. Ooh la la! Then season with salt, and the Nyonya Laksa is ready to be served. To serve, add your noodle in a bowl together with the fish cakes, fried tofus, prawns, and hard-boiled eggs. You can also use other condiments such as bean sprouts, spinach, and cockles. There you go, your home-cooked Nyonya Laksa. I hope you enjoy watching and good luck trying the recipe. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. And hey, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!